Welcome to Zebra Aurora Vision Studio. In this tutorial, we'll explore a few different methods of adding filters to our program and learn how to locate all the tools we need in our project. Aurora Vision Studio features a couple of different ways of adding filters. First, the Toolbox, which is the most basic method and includes the most frequently used tools. Second, using a filter search box, which is the fastest way of finding the needed tools. The search box also supports advanced search queries, allowing us to find filters with specific inputs and outputs. Third, by using the Ctrl spacebar or Ctrl-T keyboard shortcuts inside the program editor, which opens a quick search, allowing us to find all filters under a specified name. So, without further ado, let's jump into Aurora Vision Studio and learn how to use these three methods. Before we start, we'll adjust the complexity level to make sure we have access to all the tools and filters. Aurora Vision Studio offers three different complexity modes: Basic, Advanced, and Expert/Scientific. In Basic mode, some filters are unavailable, as they are meant for more advanced users. To adjust the complexity, click the button in the top right corner of the screen. We'll use the Expert/Scientific mode for now. As we can see, more tools have appeared in the toolbox compared to the Basic mode. Using the toolbox is the primary method of adding filters in typical applications. We simply select a tool, choose a filter variant, and insert it into our program. There are, however, two things to remember. First, it contains tools, not filters, grouped into several sections. Second, it doesn't contain all the filters, just the most frequently used ones. Therefore, sometimes we'll need to use other methods to find what we need. The difference between a tool and a filter is that a tool contains a couple of filters along with their variants, which perform similar tasks. Let's take the Scan Edges 1D tool for example. It contains three filters: Scan Edges, Scan Ridges, and Scan Stripes. Each of these filters has three variants which differ slightly in function. Let's pick one now and add it to our program. The filter search box is an extremely useful tool, allowing us to find and add specific filters quickly. If you know a part of the name of the filter you need, or if you can guess it, the search box will make your work much more efficient. Let's try it out using a few different queries. Let's say we want to measure a distance between 2 points, but we're not sure if there's a filter that could do it for us. Let's try searching for a point distance phrase. As we can see, we've got plenty of results, sorted by the relevance. And there's exactly the filter we need: point-to-point distance. Similarly, we could search for example, geeky vision related filters. Or filters that create some sort of object. This is also a good way to learn new filters. For a detailed description, we just press F1 to jump straight to the technical documentation. Another very useful method of finding and adding filters is using the Ctrl spacebar or Ctrl-T keyboard shortcuts. Instead of a time-consuming search in either Toolbox or filter libraries, using these shortcuts we can quickly add a filter straight from the program editor. It's super easy and fast. We just type in the filter's name or its part, and we get a list of filters we can choose from to add one to our program. Let's add a couple of filters just to show you how it works. As you can see, this feature is really handy and allows us to look up and add all the tools we need in just a few clicks. Knowing these methods and switching between them will surely help you navigate in the environment and create your machine vision applications more efficiently. This concludes our tutorial. If you want to learn more, please take a look at our technical documentation available at Zebra Aurora Vision Developer Portal. You can find links to the sections of the documentation relevant to this tutorial in the video description below. Thank you for watching. For more information on Zebra Aurora Vision software products, visit us at aurora-vision.zebra.com.